Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete ClickUp account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your ClickUp account, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the application, you will get to see these three bars into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that three bars, and from there you will get to see this gear option. Just simply tap into that gear option, and after going into the settings by tapping into gear option, you will see a lot of customizations to do. Now you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will see this delete account option into settings. Just simply tap into that delete account button, then it will open a link into your browser. Now you just simply have to enter your ClickUp mail and password and log in at first. And now after successfully logging in into your browser, this page will appear into your browser. Now you just simply have to type your password into this box right here. Then after typing your password, click into this confirm button at the bottom right corner. And after tapping into that button, your account will be deleted. By following this very easy step, you can also delete your ClickUp account very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.